So friends, here we go. We are into MindMaster software, and the first four options, as I said, are the free options which are easily available. Now, why mind map is required? The idea of a mind map is that you can actually train your students with the help of these kind of different techniques, which makes understanding things or even complicated concepts more simpler. So here we go, rather than talking, let's do it. So we start with the first, the most simplest of all. Let's go to this right map. Now once we click on this, we see a map which comes here. You see the main idea. Now it gives you a lot of options to explore. So here we go. The first is main idea. So for example, if I'm typing about, say companies, if you're teaching a concept of different types of companies to your students. So for example, I type here types of companies, and once you see here, you can just drag it and here it goes. Now the concept is you can either have one more main topic, which could be Indian Companies Act 1956, the year when the act was initiated. So here we go, and now once the map is created, then you can keep on downgrading or taking. Now this is a right map, so over here we can have more things which could again add. So can you see this plus symbol? You have to keep on adding, and suppose if I feel that this has been added and I don't want it anymore, I will just click on this minus symbol. So here it goes, and if again I want things over here, I will just again click on this plus. Again you can keep on extending your mind map. Similarly, you can do this here, and have as many subtopics as you want. And this is how your mind map will ultimately look so beautiful, so neat. Now there are a number of options. You can choose the shapes. You can change the shapes if you want to. More than that, you can also have different font sizes on these things which you are typing up. Or there could be image positioning which could be done. You can have images through this. So for example, if we click on this position on the side, if you want the text to be wrapped up with the image, you can even have that, okay, or the text floating outside the image. So there are a number of options which could be explored. These are the different options which are available on mind map. Now the advantage of mind map is it helps you to make things very simple, especially if there are parts or subparts which need to be explained. Then it is always good to use mind map. Also, the different things which could be explored is, now here you see insert. It gives you option if you want to insert any images. So you just have to drag and drop a picture or just select a file, and whichever image. So if I go and select a file, this is the image. Okay, so let's do this. So this is the image which I have done here. Now if I want to just write something here, I could just do that, and the image is here. Okay, so friends, you can try a lot of things with the help of, you can make your mind map more interesting with the help of images. You can use number of things which are available. And if you want something to be, say, insert floating topic. Now this is if some new concept. So example, if this has come up, so this is a floating topic. So if I want to say that it's a national bird, then it is here. So this is a floating topic which has just come up while I was explaining about a company or different concepts which you are doing while you teach your students. Now here you see insert topic. If you want to insert a particular topic, and you can just do that with the help of this as well. So if I want to insert a topic, I can even do that. So there are a number of options which mind map gives you, and you can even delete something. So I don't want this, I also don't want this. And here goes your mind map. So if I want to say the main topic was about this, and then there are subparts to make things more easy, more simpler. We already did this. There are editors. It's an editor which helps you, but certain features are not for free. So if you want to use certain features, they are paid plans. So basically you have to upgrade to go to a paid plan, and then you can use those features. Apart from that, there are some simpler things which are available for free. Like if you want to use these symbols, or if you want to make something bold, italic, or make the adjustment more clear, these are the settings. So for certain things, it is all for free. You don't have to do much. But if you want to go to a better plan, then of course it tells you to upgrade your plan, to take a paid plan or a premium. And these are the themes available. You can also have colors if you want to add colors to make your things look more beautiful. So if we choose this color, see this is how the frame changes. So, and if I want something in a single color, it offers me that. There are effects which could be used. You can have a background as well. So if I want to use a background to make the image more beautiful, you just have to go here at the background, click on this, and you can use as many backgrounds and changes as you want. And it just goes beautiful. And once your mind map is ready, you can actually share your mind map with your students while they learn new concepts, new topics. In fact, while teaching them, you can be on the mind map, use this on your screen and explain them different concepts so that things look more easier. So for example, if I'm explaining my students about, say, different types of companies, there are public limited companies, then there are public limited companies, there are private limited companies. So this is how it is beautiful thing. You can actually go and do any number of things possible to make your class, make your lectures, and even make your presentations look more beautiful. Finally, this could be exported and a number of things could be done. So there are public companies, there are private limited companies, there are foreign companies. And if I feel that now I don't just want to stick to these topics, so let me do one thing. We will just go and remove these, and it is all sorted. And we say cut, and it is cut. So either you can use this to cut. For example, I can just use this to cut, or maybe you can just use a right click and do that as well. So for example, this diagram, this image, if I feel I just want to cut it, you can even do that and make a beautiful mind map so that everything looks very organized, well designed, and use different images. Now once your mind map is ready, now what you do is you have to go here, which is a symbol of share. So it gives you the option of sharing your mind map. So if you want to share your mind map with your students, you can easily do that. It is easy, very easy to use it. So it is here. First, it is saving my mind map so that I don't lose on my data. And once it is done, it allows me also to share my mind map with my students. Apart from that, there are a number of things. So friends, let's keep on meeting more videos, and every time we will learn new technologies, learn new softwares, because life is all about learning. So friends, see you next time. Take care. Goodbye. See you.